That's the point. That's the point I've been driving on from the very beginning. May kanya-kanyang responsibilidad na nota yon. Pwede siya makitulong at a certain point in time, kailangan niyang bumitaw. But if you're not aligned, and that's what happened to you at the end of your note, you broke alignment, pak! It back. Yun naman, you don't want that to happen. Especially dyan, yun yung grade point mo eh. Kung magagawa mo yun ng tama. Okay? Let's try that for the bridge. Okay, relax this.
That's fine. Papunta sa bridge.
But now I gotta find my own. I don't know how to belong, but I've been moving on. If you don't, if you want,
okay, again. That's what's critical.
Ayaw mo ganun.
Ang tigas eh. Tigas. Do this, do this exercise the whole time that you're doing that bridge. Kasi kung hindi, yari ka, hindi pwedeng titigas yan. Kaya bumabali, kumbaga, yung ginagawa mo yung falsetto, pag-akyat mo, hindi mo kailangan gawin yan eh. Okay? Listen! That's already the CT working. It's not the TA. It will have the same texture. It's the same vocal folds eh. Di ba? Naiba ba ang vocal folds? Parang, hindi. It's the same one. Except, iba na yung tumitira nun pag align ka. Okay? So, hindi masasaktan. It's the same way as yung classical singer, umakit baba, hindi mo alam eh. Umakit baba, pareho rin, pantay yung tunog. Okay? Parehong tao, parehong instrumento, parehong tunog, kung aligned. Yan. Eh, naninigas ang liig. Nakaw, careful. Okay. Sige, gawin mo yung bridge. Okay.
But now I gotta find my own. I don't know how to belong, but I've been moving on. If you don't, if you want,
tama yung tumama doon. Hindi makanigas eh. See?
Opo.
Alright?
Nakakalito lang pag gumanda.
Eh, na nga yun. Pero the thing is, hindi ka makapagpatigas ng matagal eh.
Oo, kasi...
See? You get the idea? Or else, that's what's gonna ruin your delivery eh.
Opo.
Pag nag-shift ka dahil hindi ka naka-align at hindi mo tinira ng tamang ano. You know, it's critical how that 3A releases to the CT takes over. But that will only happen if you're aligned and your rib cage is up and you have that power. Doon. Pag ano, yari. Okay? Yun ang nagiging kasalanan ng mga iba eh. Tapos namamao sila. Yun ang problema. Sige, you get it?
Opo.
But you have to relax your neck. Tapusin natin. Sige, yung from bridge to last chorus.
Ano na po yan?
3, 4...
I don't know na po.
Yeah, last line going there.
But now I gotta find my own. I don't know where I belong, but I've been moving on.
Just ahead.
If you don't, if you want,
Tinigisan mo. Sinamahan mo pa ng face. Hindi pwede.
Hindi mo kailangan ni ganun ng kamay.
Sige. Don't have to nod it na. I will do this while you're singing. Let laugh.
gotta find my.
Sige dyan. 3, 4...
But now I gotta find my own. I don't know where I belong, but I've been moving on. If you don't,
Relax.
if you want, hindi ko kaya na. Hindi ko alam po na.
Hindi mo shift. Bigyan mo siya ng hangin. Wag mo lang tigasan to. Yeah! Wow!
If you want, listen.
Yun! You don't have to think, I will shift now. No.